Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Bilal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, look, today our topic is exercise 1.5, creative question number 1. Creative question number 1, lesson number 5. Look student, CQ norm 2. Look student, this question is not given in your exercise 1.5, but this question is related on the exercise 1.5. Okay, student, you know that the creative question will be make using the information of the related chapter. Okay. Similarly, I have created this CQ or creative questions on the basis of exercise 1.5. Okay. This type of question will come in the annual term exam. Okay. Okay. Let's start the class. Look, there are 206 kg rice in a shop. The shopkeeper sold 3/5 portion of his rice and the rest rice was kept equally in 4 sacks. A number, what is the formula for calculating a shape of 2 or more fractions? B number, how much quantity of rice was sold? C number, find the quantity of rice kept in 1 sack. Okay student, now one by one I will solve. A number, what is the formula for calculating a shape of 2 or more fractions? Right, the formula for calculating a shape of 2 or more fractions. The formula for calculating a shape of 2 or more fractions is equal to what? Okay student, look, a shape of the numerators, a shape of the numerators, a shape of the numerators of the given fractions. Okay student, look, a shape of the numerator of the given fraction. Suppose what? 1/2, 3/5. You see, this is the fraction and 1 is the numerator, similarly 3 is the numerator. Okay. So the formula for calculating a shape of 2 or more fractions, remember, a shape in the numerator. Okay. So I have written a shape of the numerator of the given fractions divided by LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. Okay, this is the formula for a shape. Okay, remember, a shape of the numerator of the given fractions divided by LCM of the denominators of the given fractions. Okay, this is the formula for a shape. Now see question number B. How much quantity of rice was sold? Look, the shopkeeper have actually 260 kg rice. At first write the shopkeeper has 260 kg rice. Okay, right here had, because the shopkeeper had 260 kg rice. Now he sold 3/5 portion of rice, right? He sold 3/5 portion of rice. Okay, he sold 3/5 portion of rice. That means actually what is meant by 3/5 portion of 260 kg? Now we will determine. Okay, now the quantity of rice was sold. Okay, that means he sold equal to what? 3/5 portion of 260 kg. Okay, this is equal to what? Look student, we have to divide 260 by 5. 260 by 5. Look, how can you do the rough? 260, 5 5s are 25, 1 0. That means 5 to the 10. That means what? 52 kilogram. That means if we divide 260 by 5, then we get what? 52. And we have to multiply also 52 with 3. Okay? Student, right? Divide this, then we get what? 52. Now multiply 52 with 3. 52 with 3. 3 to the 6 and 3 5s are 15. That means 156 kg. 156 kg. Okay, student? Now, according to the question, you have to write the answer. How much quantity of rice was sold? Okay, now write how much quantity of rice was sold. That means the quantity, that means 156 kg rice was sold. Okay, and this is the answer. Now I will solve C number. Look, C number question, find the quantity of rice kept in one sack. That means you see student, 156 kg rice the shopkeeper already sold. Then at first we have to determine how much amount of rice was kept in 4 sack. Okay, because in actually how many sack? 4 sacks. Okay, and he sold rice 156 kg rice. Okay, not only for 1 sack. He sold the rice for every sack. Okay, we will consider this. Now write that from B we have got the shopkeeper sold 156 kg rice. Okay, student. Therefore, the rest amount of rice equal to what? 260 minus 156. Then we get what? How much? Now subtract 4 and we have 1, 6, 0, 2 minus 1, 104 kg. Look student, 104 kg rice was remaining in 4 sack. Okay student, now we have to write 104 kg rice was kept in 4 sacks, right? Therefore, 104 kg rice was kept in 4 sacks. Okay? But our question is what? Find the quantity of rice kept in 1 sack. Okay? Therefore, write the quantity of rice kept in 1 sack. Therefore, the quantity of rice kept in 1 sack equal to what? 104 by 4. Okay student, now divide 104 by 4, then you get what? You may have 4 to the 8, 24, 4 6 are 24. That means 26 kg. Okay student? Student, you may calculate like this way. Divide 10, then 4 to the 10, and you have 2 in your hand. Now it becomes 24. Divide 24 by 4, then you get 6. Okay student? And the quantity of rice kept in 1 sack is 26 kg. And this is our required result. Okay? Dear student, I hope you understood today's math. Now, I talk with you about HW. Look, HW number 3. This is CQ1. 7 by 8, 5, 1 by 4 and 2 integer 1 by 8 are 3 fractions. Write 2 equivalent fractions of the third fraction of the stem. Okay, this is so much usual. You like this type of question in practice in also class 5. Now B number, determine the LCM of the given fractions. Okay, this is also done. Many times I will also taught you in the previous lecture, also in the live class. Now question C, show that the product of the second and third fraction of this stem is equal to the product of their LCM and HCM. Student, how can we solve this? Look, the product of second and third fraction, that means this is the second and third fraction. At first we have to multiply these 2 fractions. Okay, then you have got a result. Similarly, in question B, we have got the LCM, but in question C, you have to again determine the HCF. Now, multiply HCF and LCM. Okay, then you get what? 357 by what? 357 by 4. Okay, actually, after multiplying, you get 357 by 32. Okay, left side and the right side will be 357 by 32. Okay, like this way you have to calculate question C. Okay student? Dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You have to keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. But please AW copy on Saturday within 9 AM to 3 PM. Okay student, no more today. You keep practicing at home. Stay safe, stay well. See you again.